It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I have one more video for you guys tonight. I've got a Halloween video for Vlogtober. I'm so excited! Oh my goodness. So, as many of you know, I had a cold last week and I'm still coughing. I'm getting better. I'm not worried or anything, but it's a little bit hard to get through multiple videos. So I'm not doing quite as many as I have been, but once Christmas launches, we'll get back to the multiple videos a day. So yesterday, check out what launched at McDonald's, the Boo Buckets. Oh my gosh. I have such a nostalgia for these. They used to make them a lot better though. Oh my gosh. Even in the 80s, I remember one Halloween, I think I was like a junior in high school, and I remember we made our boyfriends buy us buckets for Halloween. It was like the highlight of our night. I don't know. This year, you get these cute little stickers, so you can take the stickers off, and I guess you're supposed to decorate your bucket. I don't know. Like, is it like an enhancement to the face? I don't know. I thought this was the witch one. It's the vampire pail. What the heck? There's a new purple one. I guess this is the vampire one. But I guess you can stick like a sticker on it. I don't know if that makes it better. But these are like I said, the Happy Meals. So like I had to get one. You know, I thought it was the witch because on the handle, there's a witch hat. But anyway, you know what I thought of? I'm like, this is a really good idea. So go get yourself a Halloween Happy Meal. Eat it, empty the bucket, and then now you've got a super fun gift for Halloween that you can do for Bath & Body Works. So in this one, I picked a few products. So instead of going the traditional route with the fine fragrance mist, I decided to do the Midnight Spell. You guys know I'm not super crazy about this one, so I'm going to gift it off. Someone's got to like it. I don't know. It just is kind of a harsh scent to me. This was the Mystic Air Moonlit Woods and Crystal Amber. Someone's printing something. My printer's going off in the background. I got a whole thing going on in my room. I got a printer. I got a makeup table. So this is Midnight Spell. There's like a ghostly apparition in here that's kind of cool. I also included something I do love. This is the Relaxing Moon Night. You can't read this at all, by the way. Relaxing Midnight Sky. It's chamomile and patchouli. This is a good one. It really is. I love this one. This one's so relaxing, but I liked it in the bucket because the bucket's purple. By the way, I think you can get other buckets. The white one, the green one, and the orange one. So I might try and get one more bucket. But I like the purple in here. And then what I did is I thought it'd be fun to put two soaps in here. So I put Wicked Vanilla Woods, which is the body care that didn't come back this year, Magical Vanilla, Glowing Amberwood, and Enchanted Pink Pepper. So many people love this one, including me. So this one's super cool. It's got like the cathedral window with the spider. And then, of course, we have classic vampire blood. Check it out here. This one is the Red Berries, Night Blooming Jasmine, and Petrifying Plum. Although I'm embarrassed to say that I put up a Christmas shower curtain today. I love this one. This one smells so much like plum. It's beautiful. Yeah, I don't know. I'm edging towards it, you guys. Christmas, I can feel Christmas coming. I got my messy bun in today because I was doing a lot of cleaning. I cleaned my bathroom, which is super exciting. I hate cleaning the bathroom, but it's always fun once your bathroom is actually clean. So I had my hair up all day today. I don't know. I have to take a picture of my shower curtain so you guys can see it. I got it at Home Goods. It says let it snow, which I don't know if that was a good choice. But you know what? They're kind of Christmassy snowmen. So I'm hoping to use it for the entire Christmas season and then kind of move into January because I hate when Christmas just ends. I like to keep it going a little bit with the winter theme. And then of course we moved to tropical, but I had to do a Halloween video today. How do you like my bucket gift basket? You know what would even make this better if you threw in a bag of candy corn, unfortunately, I actually ate all my candy corn. I was actually going to use this bag of candy corn in here, and look, it's gone. I ate all my candy corn. See, I'm still celebrating Halloween. I got my Hey Boo shirt on. You could also put like little suckers in here or something. That would make it super cute. This would be great for like a neighbor, a coworker. So anyway, great idea. Free, almost free bucket. Get one at McDonald's with your lunch. And then you get these cool stickers. Anyway, this was fun. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.